Good. Good. See, he'll let me hold him, but he don't like it. I gotta hold him up so you guys can see him. There's Ernie. Ernie, good boys. He's a good boy. Uh, he's a little crazy, but he's a good kitty. It's raining, so he's pretty pumped up. But he lets me hold him, like I said. He's a good boy, but he doesn't like it. The other cats are up here. I'll show them in a second. Alright. Hold on, let me show you guys the other one. I don't know where Bella is, but look, Ernie's all wet because he was out in the rain. But Mama Kitty's up here. Early's up here too. I don't know where he's at though. I'm sorry, Ernie. Ernie said, don't pick me up. Ernie said, what the fuck? Don't be picking me up and shit. What is that? Now he's all crazy. Oh, look at the two brothers over here. Oh, there's Bella. Hello, Belle. What are you doing, Missy? That's her spot. I think she was under here the last video, too. This is a really nice spot for him. Honey. Yeah, see, it's raining and stuff, so I figured I'd make the video now since it's raining and they're all up here. I wish Haven would come out. She's under the glider, I bet. But you see what we did to make it more winterized. We put a bunch of big blankets on here. Haven, are you under there? Oh, Haven is under there. I don't know if you guys can see her. She is under there. But we put a bunch of blankets under there so they'll stay warm. And then we actually had this moved over here. But I moved it more over here in the sun today so they can sleep in it. Oh, there's Early. Ah, buddy. Oh yeah, Early's a big tomboy, huh? What's the matter, buddy? He's a big lion. Early's a very mellow cat. He's a very mellow. Ever since he was a kitten, he's just very mellow. I mean, he likes to play and stuff. He's just very relaxed. He's getting big, too. Not as big as Ernie. Ernie's the boss. Ah. Ernie the boss man. At least he thinks he is. And there's Bernie eating his dry food. Bernie loves that dry food. Where's Mama Kitty at? Mama Kitty, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Yeah, you guys got a lonely night on the porch because it's going to be raining unless you guys want to go out and get wet. Huh. There's little Belle. Look at little Bella peeking her head out. What are you doing, little Belly? Why ain't your sister coming out here? Hmm? Yeah, Ernie. Ernie, you're all wet. Luckily, you got some thick-ass fur. Ernie has a nice coat. It's real thick. You know, he's not like a long-haired cat, but his coat's super thick. You know, his hair is a lot different than Bernie's is. Not Bernie. What are you doing, buddy? Bernie's good boys, huh? I wish Haven come out here. Yeah, there's Bella making her move. Oh, Belle. Crazy. Ernie, now you steal that thing and then nobody else can play with it. Early wants to play. You got this thing. Who's that? That's Bella. And they got this thing. they haven't really played with that thing. Like I said, you're better off just getting balls and some cardboard and some string. That's what cats like to play with. Their favorite toy is this piece of carpet right here. They love this piece of carpet. That's probably their favorite toy. Ernie. Oh, look at Early's getting down. Early. Oh, look at Bernie's ready to pounce. You know, I'm going to stop getting them toys that squeak because I think that encourages them to go get bunnies and mice and stuff. And they brought a couple mice, dead mice, and a couple bunnies home this year, so I don't want to encourage their craziness. Look at Ernie. Ernie's all crazy, huh? What is that, Ernie? What is that? What is this? That's your fish. Let me see that. Oh, look, and now they'll play with this carpet. They love this carpet. But I usually don't have it over the box. Ernie, get your ass off there. I usually just have it like, you know, like this, and then I'll have it like, kind of like ruffled up so they can get under it. What is that? Oh, that's Mama Kitty. I thought you were early. What are you doing, Ernie? I'm getting real crazy now. And when you do this. You guys are all crazy out. And now you guys are messing up the carpet. You need a bigger piece of carpet you guys can mess with. Yeah, this is their favorite toy. Don't be swinging on Mama Kitty. If even Bella wants some. Don't be swinging, Ernie. You better be careful. Now Bella's gonna run. Oh, you're all crazy. Hey, Mama Kitty. They love this carpet. Yeah, Early's weird because he's really mellow, but then he's also very playful and stuff. Look at him. You guys are all fired up. Mama Kitty's all fired up. Hey, Ernie, don't be swinging on her. You guys are all fired up, except for Bernie. Bernie says, I'm not all crazy. Alright, you guys are about done. As you guys can see, they're doing very well. But they better stay that way. You know, as long as I come out here in the morning and they're all out here, including the black kitty in Haven, then I'm happy if they're all out here in the morning. Hey, Belly. Bella, what happened? You thought you were cool running out in the rain, huh? Bernie wants to play, huh, Belle? Oh, Billy. Okay, not a picture. Look how sweet Bella is. Bella's a good kitty. Look at Jealous over here. You be nice to Bella. Bella's like half your size, Ernie. Bella's little babies. Alright, you guys are done. Alright guys, pretty long video. But they were getting down today. I wish Haven would come out here. Alright guys. I'll make another video soon. Come on guys. Say bye. Picture.